get swimming. All right, our championship final, top qualifiers here. Smith, he moves to a 148.47 this morning. He's going to have to push here to the final. This is got Aaron Shackle at 149.27. Dominant at 85. Can't count out Andrew Shackle. You are 96. 151.10. And no disrespect to William Allen from Palmer Swim Club, 150.80. With all that said, the record is a 145.82 set back in 2023. And so the stroke is Neil Smith and Aaron Shackle as they approach the 100. Splits 52-17-91. Shackle Smith is regular. Smith, here's the Shackle on the swim.